Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me Andriawan. Today I'm going to explain about the model of design. This is the midterm assignment, and we're going to explain about the mind mapping that we have created. This is about the social model and the Persian model. Let's take a look for the first explanation. Model of design. Sign takes the form of words, images, sounds, others, flavors, acts, or objects. But such things have no intrinsic meaning and become sign only when we invest them with meaning. The first one, there is Saussurian model. A linguistic sign is not a link between a thing and a name, but between a concept, or signified, and a sound pattern or signifier. The sound pattern is not actually a sound, for a sound is something physical. For Saussure, both the signifier, the sound or the pattern, and the signified were purely psychological. The next one, we can go to the next explanation about two-sided of page. Saussure stressed that sound and thought, or the signifier and the signified, were as inseparable as the two sides of a piece of paper. They were immediately linked in the mind by an association link, each triggers or the others. Saussure presents this element as a whole independent, neither pre-accessing the other. The two-sided page. And the next one is the relational system. Saussure argued that signs only make sense as part of a formal, generalized and abstract system. For Saussure, signs refer primarily to each other within the language system. Everything's depends on relation. And the next one is the arbitrariness. Although the signifier is treated by its user as standing for the signified, Saussure and Semiotics emphasize that there is no necessary, intrinsic, direct, or inevitable relationship between the signifier and the signified. We can move to the Persian model. The right one. The second one is about the Persian model. The points are, we have the representment, an interpretant, and an object. The representment is the form which the sign takes. It's called by some theorists the sign vehicle, just like the vehicle of the sign. And then the second one, an interpretant, is not an interpreter, but rather the sense made of the sign. And the last one, an object, is something beyond the sign to which it refers. Or we can say a referent. And we can move to the next point. There is the relativity. Here we can share about it. We can talk about the relativity in the Persian model. The relativity arbitrary symbolism of the medium of verbal language reflects only one form of relationship between signifier and their signified. In Persian terms, they are a relationship between a presentment and its object or its interpretant. Now in this point, relativity, we have three others point, which is symbolic, iconic, and identical. Symbolic, the first one, which is a mode in which the signifier does not resemble the signified, but which is fundamentally arbitrary or purely conventional, so that this relationship must be agreed upon and learned. The second one is iconic, is a mode in which the signifier is perceived or resembling or imitating the signified. It's being similar in possessing some of its qualities. The third one, or the last one, is indexical, a mode in which the signifier is not arbitrary but is directly connected in some way to the signified. This link can be observed or inferred. It's all the explanation from me. Hope you guys got what I said. Thank you. See you again. Bye.